Thank you for buying this technological wonder, Midea fully automatic washing machine. This techno-powered washing machine comes with automatic and easy-to-use features and gives excellent wash results with just the touch of a button. Its ultra-modern features like One Touch, Hexa Frill Wash, Magic Filter and 0.0 pressure gives you a unique washing experience. Let's just start the machine by plugging in the power connector to power supply and pressing the on-off button. This machine has a special one-touch button feature which actually makes it fully automatic. Once you press this button, using advanced algorithms, it calculates and automatically determines the water level, wash program, number of rinses and spin duration. Your Midea washing machine has 8 wash programs to help you get the desired wash results. 1. Standard. This wash program is suitable for all types of clothes and takes moderate amount of wash, rinse and spin time. 2. Deep Clean. Deep Clean is for heavily soiled clothes and takes larger wash time. 3. Fast Clean. This program is used for washing clothes which are less dirty and have a shorter wash time. 4. Delicate. For washing delicate fabrics like wool, silk, etc., Delicate Wash program is used. It uses high water levels. Spin cycle is not used in order to safeguard any damage on clothes due to high rotation of tub. 5. Heavy Load. All the heavy clothes are washed using this wash program because of its strong washing ability. 6. Active. Active wash program can be used for less clothes with less dirt degree. 7. Tub Clean. This program is useful to clean the wash tub thoroughly with its high RPM water sprayed for 1 minute. 8. Drum Dry. This is an exclusive program in this washing machine where the spin tub circulates on a high speed to make the outside of the tub dry. This helps in controlling the bacterial growth, making the washing process safer and healthier. The program button helps to select a wash program according to your type of clothes or type of washing suitable according to the degree of dirt. The water level button ensures not only the right amount of detergent but also the right amount of water, which is equally important for attaining the perfect wash results. The machine has 8 water levels from 1 to 8, which helps you to select the water level depending on the cloth load and dirt degree. The washing process is a combination of soak, wash, rinse and spin. As per your requirement, you can choose the combinations depending upon the cloth load. Enjoy the experience and thank you for buying a Midea washing machine.